Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today, I'm here with a project share for my project that I did as a guest designer for Cara Brandon Creations. And I made a little junk journal, okay, but I didn't put doilies and all that in it for this one. Next one, we don't know yet. So what I did is I took one of her tea party paper digitals or printables, and I covered a snack box with it that is chipboard, and I put one of her little elements here, one of her cutter parts, another one here. And then let's get into the inside of this book. Okay. Now, I put the same tea party paper on the inside. Okay. Now, this is all from one kit here. You can see I put some crochet trim here. Here's one of the pages. And then here's another element, a cutter part here. Here I have a pocket and a tag. Here's a little tuck spot here, and I'll show you. I can put anything that I want in there, except for that. See? It's a tuck spot. You can put whatever you want in there. Okay. Then we have writing here. Anything for journaling. We have another tuck spot with another tag up here. Another one of the cutter parts here. Another page to write, and they can do whatever they want here, whoever gets it. Then we have another writing page, and I'm going to put my tag in here for tuck spot. Now, there's writing pages everywhere in here, okay? We have another pocket with a tag, another little add-on cutter part, another tag with the element here, and then an ankle pocket with another floral bouquet. Here's a blank writing area. Here's one for a tag. Let me see. Get a tag in there. That one's too big. I know I have other tags in here, but my question is, where did they all go? I think I used up all my tags, y'all. Will this fit in there? You can put a little envelope in the pocket, okay. Then we have another pocket with another tag. Another pocket and tag. Writing area. A belly band with another element on it and a tag. Writing area. Here's the double tag. Here's a tag with a pocket and one of the little floral elements. A slanted pocket with a tag on the tag. Okay. Here's another double pocket that we can probably fit this tag in. And you see we got a double pocket there. More writing here. A little element here. Let me glue that down. Apparently my glue doesn't want to come out. There. Okay. Then we have another pocket with two tags in it. Here's another, it's supposed to be a pocket, but I think it glued the whole thing down here. Let's see. No, it's a pocket. Okay. Let me keep this out. I gotta glue this down. And I'm going to put something in that pocket to show it's a pocket. But I got to find something small enough to fit in it. Well, we're going to leave that like that. Okay. And then we have another pocket over here, called a side pocket. We have a pocket here and a pocket there. And then we have another pocket with a tag, another tag pocket, see? Writing areas here, writing there. I might go and put something here, I'm not sure yet. But here I know I don't want to put anything because I don't want to cover that up. And we got this I don't want to cover up. This I can probably put something there. Then we have a pocket with a tag. This, I see the teapot here, so I don't want to cover that up. Whoever gets it can do whatever they want. Here's writing area and a pretty teapot here. Here's another side pocket with a tag in it. Here's a tuck spot. Here's another side pocket. I left some of it plain. Here's another side pocket or tuck spot. Here, I'm probably going to go in and put a little side pocket here. I'm not sure. Here's another pocket here for a tag. See? Here we come. I may put something there, may not. Here's another tuck spot here. Another tuck spot here. Nothing here. I haven't decided yet. Nothing there. Nothing there. And nothing there. So that is my project share for Cara Branding Creations. I will link her Etsy shop and Facebook group down below in the description box. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be safe, be crafty, be blessed, be positive, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.